guys, check this out. What we got is GR Yaris, Toyota GR Yaris 2023, installed with Starline M66. So no tag, no start. So if a thief copies or clone your keys, as you can see now, it will not say ready at the bottom. So that means you can't drive this vehicle. So no tag present, you cannot drive off. The system will call you on the phone.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it'll let you know that the ignition has been turned on, someone's got in the vehicle. So I'm going to bring the tag with me now. Okay, so I've got the Starline tag with me. I'm the authorized driver of this vehicle. And now I can turn it on as normal. As you can see, it says ready at the bottom. That means the car is ready to drive. System comes with a full smartphone app included, complete with tracking and service mode, and a remote immobilization, so you can turn the vehicle off remotely as well. Only if the vehicle is turned off, you will not be able to turn it on again. So yeah, if you want this installed on your vehicle to protect it from being stolen, give us a call on 028-554-5554. Come visit Car Sound Security in Ilford Gansil, IG2 6QA. So yeah, we can protect all hybrid vehicles and electric, so give us a shout.